we're using Giani countertop paint kits to restore or redo our countertops. This is what we have done so far. The base coat. And this is what it looked like before. It's kind of like a white marble. I didn't really like it against the white cabinets. And the backsplash. So we are applying the base coat. And it's gonna take about 8 hours to dry, so we're gonna let this sit overnight before we finish the rest. And when we're all done, it should look like this. But here's what the kit comes with. Comes with the sponges you cut up. Here's the practice piece. I've been doing my kit. This little DIY project. I like it. It's super easy. Like, it tells you exactly what to do. You roll in your black. And then you start with this. B and C. These ones look very, very similar. So you just set up like your little sections or whatever. They gave you sponges. And then what you do, start with the gray. Well, obviously we primed it with the black first. Start with the gray. You literally just dab it in any kind of pattern. You don't want it to look uniform because granite doesn't really look like that. Literally just dab it on. So just for the purpose of the video, I'm just gonna show you what to do next. I'm not done with the gray, obviously. I would do the whole gray and then the white. I'm just gonna show you. So after you do the gray, you would come in, just dab the white all over. I know it looks super crazy now, but it will look like something. Dab this. And then you would take like your 2C, which is like the white. And then you would go over this. I was supposed to dab that off, but I just want to show you. Now, essentially, when this is done, I'm gonna show you what it's going to look like. This is still not done. This needs more, but. So this is how it will end up looking. And then like I have a top coat that's like super shiny glitter. So it'll look good with the sparkles in there. It'll look like real granite. And then painted the cabinets white. We put on backsplash. So it looks really good together.